So basically, not getting a degree is actually a good sign to be successful. As you know, many of the successful startups, the founders, were dropouts of the universities. Yeah, before coming here last week, I was in Palo Alto, Silicon Valley, the heart of basically startup happenings. And not sure if some of you have been there already. There is this University Avenue. And right in the center of the University Avenue, there is this nice old building, theater, used to be a theater. It used to be a Borders, a bookstore. And when I used to live there, I actually moved to California, Silicon Valley, as a part of the startup, a spin out of SAP, back then, called SAP Markets. And in those days, I used to go to this bookstore. There was also a coffee shop inside. I used to sit in the coffee shop, drink my coffee, and read books. And last week, when I went there, there was no bookstore. So Borders ran out of business. So did other bookstores. And the reason is we basically digitalized books. One startup which came up, Amazon, basically changed the whole business and our life. And the world is continuing to be digitalized. We see more and more products moving into the digital version. And now we have even started to move physical goods into the digital world using 3D printers. So basically, transforming entire industries, the way we build products, the way we ship products. It's a completely new world. And in addition, everything becomes connected. We see connectedness on multiple levels. When I joined that startup, SAP Markets, it was all about connecting businesses. So we see businesses getting connected, processes becoming more connected. And we recently acquired a company, Ariba, which was back then a competitor of ours, creating marketplaces. And on this marketplace, we have 1.5 million companies doing business together. And it has a revenue, a trade volume of $700 billion US, which is being traded on this marketplace. And we recently announced that we will add every of our customers to that network free of charge, and also their suppliers free of charge, increasing a huge business network. The other level where we see connectivity increasing is on the people using social media. If we look at just Facebook alone, if we see Facebook as a country, it would be the largest country on earth. So we see connectivity happening among us. But also there is connectivity happening on devices, machines, cars, and industry level. We go that far and speak of the fourth industrial revolution happening through the connectivity of devices, machines, and sensors. But also there is another thing happening, that the levels between each other connect to each other. So now machines, all of a sudden, if they see the demand, if they see, oh, I have nothing to do, they can initiate processes. They can create purchase orders, order goods. So the connectivity between levels opens completely new opportunities, completely new markets, and completely new possibilities for startups. Actually, all this increasing network, increasing connectivity, increasing data also has a big need for a new technology foundation which can cope with the large amount of data and the huge amount of data which is coming from sensors and in real time. So we had to think about a new technology platform which can deal with the environment which we are facing in today's and tomorrow's world. And we have built in-memory technology called HANA, which basically allows companies solutions to deal with that. It has become the foundation of our solutions as well. And we have started to open up this technology also to startups. Basically, if building solutions for today's world and tomorrow's world, you have to deal with increasing amount of data in real time. So it's a good platform for you to build your solutions on top of it. And the good thing about the bookstore, which I mentioned prior, so we have rented that old theater, which I mentioned in the center of University Avenue, and we have turned it into a HANA cafe. So I can go there, sit there, and can still have my coffee. But this time, surrounded by startups, by people like you who want to transform the world and who are eagerly looking for new opportunities and new innovations. We have started in 2012. We have started a program, our startup focus program, to allow startups to build their solutions on the technology platform, which I mentioned. Ever since, we have more than 1,500 companies, startups participating in that program. We have more than 120 startups being already live in 57 countries, 57 different countries, through 22 industries. So basically, a wide range of startups, markets, solutions. And we have also started a startup focus program in Turkey. We had our first one in April this year. We have already 30 startups from Turkey participating in the startup focus program. What we offer there is we provide you, during the development of your solution, we provide you support. We provide you hands-on development support. We train you. We give you the necessary skills to build your solution on top. And it's for free for you during the time where you develop and build your solution on top of the startup, on top of the HANA platform during that program. But it is needed, it's necessary that we first sit together, or that you apply, that you want to participate in the startup focus program, and then there is the evaluation phase. There is a evaluation phase. Basically, these are the phases. And then we help you, once you have your solution, we help you also to go live, we take you to the market. We support you with events. We take you to our customer fairs. We took some of our Turkish customers from Istanbul to Orlando, where we had our annual customer fair with more than 30,000 participants. And then we also promote this. We promote startups, as well as we enable, we have provided a HANA fund, some venture capital, which we can also invest in startups. So this gives you the opportunity to have a program where you can participate, and also what we heard from one of the speakers earlier, things like localization, globalization, going to the market. These are part of the platform which we provide. So if you build your solutions on top of it, our solutions, we operate in more than 120 countries. So we have already the tools necessary, which are necessary to take you to different markets, to support you going into different markets. And this can be of help to you. Yeah, the other thing which I wanted to mention is we had started the Startup Focus program here. Also, we are as SAP, we have also founded an innovation center in Istanbul. We see Istanbul as a hub for innovation. We see Istanbul and the region as a hub for talents. So there are many talented people, young people, which are required also to be successful in the IT industry. So it's still a resource-intense industry. Also, when you build your solutions, you need people, the same as SAP. So we have started an innovation center, and this is the team which is already active. And we are looking also for collaboration opportunities with startups. So each of us is very interested to engage with you and learn and also share and help support doing a mutual collaboration approach. But we are here in Istanbul, so that makes it easy. Also for the people in the region, who are in the region, to connect and communicate. And yeah, that was basically it, what I wanted to say. And I look also forward to have a HANA cafe in Istanbul to sit down with you and have a coffee together with you. Thank you.